Welcome to transforming blank walls into bold, creative masterpieces. In a world where creativity thrives in the most unexpected places, the walls of our homes, offices, and public spaces present a wonderful opportunity for artistic expression. They stand as blank canvases, waiting for the right strokes to bring them to life. This journey of transformation is not only about adding color and design, it's about creating an atmosphere that reflects our personality, inspires us, and engages viewers. Whether you're a passionate artist, a design enthusiast, or a curious homeowner, there's something powerful about turning dull walls into captivating masterpieces. Blank walls can often feel intimidating. They may seem like a void waiting to be filled, but they actually hold immense potential. Every blank space invites imagination and brainstorming. Allow yourself to envision the possibilities. Imagine each wall as a canvas that can be adorned with images that tell your story. It could be through murals, stencils, decals, or unique paint techniques. The only limit is your creativity, and embracing this potential sets the foundation for an exciting transformation. Before diving into the artistic process, it's essential to choose a direction. Consider the mood you want to set with your art. Do you want to evoke calmness, energy, or a sense of nostalgia? The colors, styles, and subjects will influence these feelings. Research various art movements, such as abstract, contemporary, or classic styles. Seek inspiration from murals in urban areas, art galleries, or online platforms like Pinterest and Instagram. The more you explore, the better equipped you'll be with ideas that resonate with your style. Art is not only for aesthetics. It can reflect personal experiences, favorite memories, or even cultural heritage. Think about incorporating elements that hold significance to you. Perhaps it's a wallpaper design inspired by a beloved childhood book or a mural depicting a significant life event. This personalization makes the artwork unique and adds depth to the narrative behind the masterpiece. Engaging with your emotions during this process is vital. Art can serve as a powerful medium for expression. The choice of materials and techniques can greatly affect the final outcome of your wall transformation. Different mediums like paint, chalk, or mixed media can create distinct textures and finishes. High-quality paints ensure longevity and vibrancy, while stencils can help maintain precision in your designs. Don't hesitate to explore unconventional materials like fabric or even recycled items to add an innovative touch. Each choice plays a crucial role in building the character of your space. Once your vision is clear, it's time for planning. This stage is about sketching your ideas and mapping out how they will fit within the space. Measure the walls accurately to understand the scale of your design. Creating a mock-up illustration can help visualize how the composition will work together before you begin. Preparing the surface is equally important. Cleaning, priming, and even repairing any imperfections ensures a smooth application for your materials. When it comes to the actual painting or application process, a step-by-step approach can simplify what might feel like a daunting task. Start with the background colors, providing a foundation for your artwork. Then, layer in your designs gradually. This method allows for adjustments and a chance to step back and assess whether the artwork is flowing as envisioned. Capturing the progress through photographs can also be rewarding, offering a sneak peek at how your masterpiece is evolving. If you're considering a large-scale project, collaborating with local artists or community members can enhance the experience. Community art projects foster connection and bring diverse perspectives together. Imagine transforming a blank wall into a community mural that reflects shared values or experiences. This interaction not only beautifies the space, but also strengthens community bonds. Engaging others allows for collective creativity and can yield unexpected, stunning results. As we embrace our creativity, it's vital to consider our impact on the environment. Opt for eco-friendly paint options, sustainable materials, and practices that minimize waste. Supporting local artists or businesses can also foster an ethical approach to your project. This consciousness ensures that your wall transformations contribute positively to both your personal environment and the broader community. Once your artwork is complete, the journey doesn't end there. Maintaining the integrity of your masterpiece involves regular care and attention. Depending on the medium, consider protective coatings to preserve your art against fading and wear. Regular cleaning and occasional touch-ups can keep the artwork fresh and vibrant. Embracing a maintenance routine allows you to enjoy the beauty of your creations for years to come. Art has an undeniable capacity to influence our emotions and productivity. Well-designed spaces can uplift spirits, foster creativity, and encourage relaxation. Transforming blank walls into artful expressions creates an environment that promotes positivity and inspiration. As you experience your surroundings, notice how the art affects your mood and interactions. Embrace the emotional connection that art facilitates and let it enhance your daily life. As you undertake the journey of transforming your blank walls into bold masterpieces, remember that this process can be a springboard for future creativity. Every completed project can inspire new ideas and challenges, leading to further exploration of artistic expression. Share your creations with friends, family, and online communities, encouraging others to embark on their own artistic journeys. Your bold transformations can ignite the imaginations of those around you, sparking a wave of creativity. In conclusion, transforming blank walls into bold creative masterpieces is an exciting venture that celebrates art and personal expression. It is a process filled with exploration, joy, and discovery. As you engage with your creativity and express your individuality, you contribute to a vibrant aesthetic that enhances not just your own space, but potentially the spaces of others as well. Embrace the journey, allow your creativity to flourish, and watch as those blank walls transform into captivating stories waiting to be told. Thank you for joining us on this journey of transforming blank walls into bold, creative masterpieces. We hope you found inspiration and practical ideas to unleash your creativity. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more artistic insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family to spread the inspiration. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to see the amazing transformations you create in your own spaces.